Welcome. Today, we'll show you how to disable video autoplaying on Facebook with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Launch the app and ensure you're logged into your account to access your newsfeed. Step 2. Tap on the three-line menu icon located in the upper right corner of the app. This icon will open a menu with various options for customization. Step 3. Scroll down the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, select Settings to access the settings for your Facebook account. Step 4. In the Settings menu, continue scrolling down until you find the Media option. Tap on Media to access media-related settings on Facebook. Step 5. Within the Media settings, look for the Autoplay option. Tap on Autoplay to access the Autoplay settings for videos on your Facebook app. Step 6. To disable videos from playing automatically, select Never Autoplay videos under the Autoplay settings. This setting change will prevent videos from automatically playing in your newsfeed. By following these steps, you can easily customize your Facebook app settings to disable video autoplaying. Take control of your viewing experience and enjoy a more personalized interaction with content on the platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable video autoplaying on Facebook. Enhance your browsing experience by adjusting the autoplay settings to suit your preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay updated on the latest features and functionalities of social media platforms for a more tailored user experience.